Welcome to CB200 5-minute focus. In this video we're taking a look at the tachometer cable. So the tachometer starts from the camshaft at the top here, comes through this clip, through the forks and then up to the dial. So once it's gone through that clamp back there, comes up, bends around and then attaches to the tachometer dial under here. There is a little bit of a bow that comes out of the front here that gives it a little bit of play and movement when you steer, and that's original. That's how it should sit. So there you go, that's the CB200 tachometer cable.